Kondom. Kondom. Steve? What are you doing? Hello, Stephen. What? That was naughty, wasn't it? That was naughty. Yeah. Huh? They just take the photo of the Cadillac, huh? They just take the photo of the Cadillac, huh? They just take the photo of the Cadillac? Yeah. You go inside? You go inside or what? You go inside? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You happy to put them? You know? Huh? Huh? What's that? Where's Alexander, Stan and Billy? What? Where's Alexander, Stan and Billy? What? Where are the kids? Yeah. Where are they? There. Where there? Are they at school or what? Hello. I can't see it. Oh, I can't see it. Huh? Mario, Daddy. Smile, Stephen. Mario. Smile, Stephen. Mario. Sit down, Stephen. What are you doing? I like that. What are you doing, Steve? Steve? Huh? That's naughty. That's naughty word, Stephen. You going to try and see what Mummy's doing? What? You going to try and see what Mummy's doing? Come on. Let's go. Come on. That's it? Let's go inside. This is a typical house in the morning as Nancy collects stuff. This is a third room after the kids have demolished it. And here she is. The mystery girl. What have you got the phone empty? Huh? Whispering. This is Darren Hinch. What? What? Ralph, let's go and see your bedroom. What? Let's go and see your bedroom. You show me your bedroom. Still in your bedroom. I'll get kicked out of my own house. It's just as dirty outside. Doesn't matter. Just let's go in your bedroom. Let's go in your bedroom. Huh?
Punching us.
Yeah. Come. Look at the back. Show that at the back, sir. Show that at the back of the house. What? What? Yeah. Yeah, come on, yeah. Jump on. Get on. Oppa. Yep. You gonna play guitar with us? You gonna play guitar with us? Let's go. Let's go down the bottom and play guitar with us.
Watching the mirror.
Sounds good, the bottom. Have a little matter box? Have a little matter box? Huh? You got a little matter box? Or not? You gonna play guitar with us? Hmm? That's enough. Let's go get down the bottom. You get Bubba Devil's place? You get Bubba Devil's place? Why not? You got a videotape that of fixing the house up. Alright? You got a videotape that of fixing the house up. Okay? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, we got the car. We got the car? Huh? You going up? Yeah, I'll bring the camera. Come on, let's go. Huh?
Pull it off.
Yeah, we'll get them in the garage. It's too far to get up. Come on, let's go. Cool. Huh? No. 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 Go, Teddy. Come on, go. Let's go. Huh? No, not the Cadillac. The Cadillac's not ready yet. The Cadillac's not fixed up, see? Broken still. We go next to the Cadillac. Go next to the Cadillac. See how small Stephen is next to the Cadillac? The other one. That's going to be Steven's Cadillac when it gets bigger. Hey, this is my Cadillac. That's my Cadillac.
It's your Cadillac, and I'm a precious car.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad,
Yeah.
there's that car.
Come, Scott, we got something. Come. Yeah. Helikopter. Ja. What's that, fish? Which one is that? Mama's belly. Mama's belly. Big boom boom, huh? Big boom boom, Mama's belly, huh? Mama's belly, huh? Huh? Come here. You got the white one. You got the white one. You got the white one? Yeah, Daddy's white one. I'll give you that walk. Huh? What are you doing? The red one. That big one, that one, man. No. No. No, no, no. No, no. No, come on, we got to run in this. Let's go, right? And close the door. No, please close the door properly. Alright, let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs or do it. Downstairs. That's the rubbish bin, huh? Come on, Steve. Slowly.